Right guys, so on the front bumper here, Daddy's been working on it. You got that one hole there patched up, and one spot where like a hitch had gone through it. He laid in some fiberglass, some stuff there. It actually looks like it's way stronger than it was before. It's pretty smooth, but I think that'll work a lot better. It's definitely gonna look better in a big spot there. So we got to sand on all the new stuff, the fenders, all that, and then light coat of sand in there, then some primer on it, and then we're gonna see if we can find some white paint that'll match while the whole world is shut down. That's the first thing we gotta do is pull these things off, and it looks like they're holding shape pretty good now that they have been on here a while and got heated up to work. But we'll get these off and then scotch brite them or sand them down a little bit, and then get some paint on these things hopefully. All right guys, we're about to head over to Walmart and see if we can find some matching paint. I just wiped a clean spot. Look how dirty this thing is. It's crazy. All right guys, here's what we got from Walmart. And this is some gloss black for the grill, some gloss white, some white primer, and then some satin just to touch up some little spots. Hopefully this will work. There's a million colors of white, there's a million colors of every color, and right now, since everything's kind of shut down, this is what we got. So I'm gonna see if this works. We'll see if the colors are even close enough to make it work, and if it does for now, this is what we'll do. We may take them back off and redo them later, but we'll see. All right guys, just a little piece of test metal and that flat white primer. It's always a good idea to try to get the color primer you've got with the color car. Makes things a little bit easier. So this is laying down pretty good. Look at that. This is one pretty heavy coat. Should be enough to see what we're looking at. We'll let that tack up a little bit and then hit it with some of the other white and see how close we are. All right guys, so this is the cheap 96-cent Walmart spray paint. This is gloss white. They used to have a whole ton of colors in this, and some really good flat black that I use on a whole bunch of old rat rods and stuff. And it looks like they've only got gloss white and gloss black at our Walmart now. So this has been primed now. We heated up, got it dry. Take this and see what it looks like. Wind's starting to catch up on us now. And now you can actually see how good that's gonna look. That spot fixed pretty nice, didn't it?
Yep, pretty good.
Not bad at all. There you go. It's a better look at Daddy's fiberglass job. You can see that he was a professional boatman and fixing holes, and fiberglass still works pretty good. There's our first color test, and you can tell it's a bit different. So this gives us a good baseline now to try to go off of. Try to find something a little bit closer. All right guys, so you can tell what I've done here. Tried a few different things, a couple different colors and whatnot, seeing what I can make work on here. And we did get the car cleaned up, so now it's not as dirty. It's a little bit easier to tell color differences. The front bumper is not cleaned up yet, so it looks like a major difference there. So just trying to figure out what to do. If I want to keep on looking for some cheap alternatives to get these things sprayed and let that work, or do I want to go ahead and have the paint mixed up and hope it matches, and then hope it lays down right, since both of us are amateurs at spraying car paint? Or do I wait and just touch this up enough to put it back on the car and just rock it with black over fenders for now, and then come back later and paint them white? So really trying to figure out what I want to do, but that's an update for you. Sorry, guys.
Right, guys, don't forget you can get $25 off of ceramic coating, the Armor Shield 9 from Avalon King, by putting HiRevz 25 in at checkout at avalonking.com. Also, don't forget to like, comment, and share on this video for your chance to win the AMR 500 Supercharger.